Welcome to American Dream Mansion, where today we invite you into one of the most extraordinary French-style estates in all of Texas, an iconic residence that blends timeless architecture, modern luxury, and an unforgettable lifestyle. Located in the prestigious gated Saddlebrook Estates of Tomball, this breathtaking 6.29-acre masterpiece at 36 Saddlebrook Court offers more than 15,630 square feet of refined living, crafted for those who expect nothing but the finest. The journey begins with a sweeping cinematic drone view, revealing the full grandeur of this incredible property. Surrounded by mature trees, professionally designed landscaping, and the serenity of private acreage, the estate instantly sets the tone for elegance, privacy, and exclusivity. From above, the home's French architectural lines, limestone facade, slate-colored roof, and symmetrical design create an image straight out of a European countryside, yet it sits only minutes from the woodlands. As the camera transitions toward the entrance, the estate's presence becomes even more commanding. Tall custom doors, wrought iron detailing, soaring stone columns, and a grand approach lined with manicured greenery form an entrance that feels regal, welcoming, and unmistakably timeless. The moment those doors open, you step into an atmosphere that blends classic charm with modern luxury in a way few homes can achieve. Inside, the open floor plan unfolds effortlessly, showcasing limestone floors, marble accents, and rich hardwood that moves through the home like a warm rhythm. Natural light pours in through oversized windows, highlighting every handcrafted detail, from antique beams to custom trim work to exquisitely chosen fixtures. The soft winter tone color palette adds a cinematic mood, bringing cool silver, gray, and warm natural textures together in perfect harmony. At the heart of the home is the spectacular chef's kitchen, a true showpiece. Designed for both family living and grand-scale entertaining, it features a stunning 55-square-foot granite island, sub-zero refrigerator and freezer, professional-grade range, Osborne custom cabinetry, antique French terracotta flooring, and exposed wooden beams that elevate the room's character to a level of rare craftsmanship. This is not just a kitchen, it is an experience. Flowing seamlessly from the kitchen is the elegant dining area, where tall windows frame views of the lush grounds. With soft winter lighting, refined decor, and a peaceful atmosphere, the dining space transforms every meal into a moment worth remembering. The estate features 7 luxurious bedrooms, each with its own en-suite bathroom, offering unmatched comfort and privacy. The primary suite is nothing short of a retreat, boasting a grand sleeping area, a cozy fireplace, a private sitting space, and serene views of the property. The spa-style bathroom includes marble walls, a deep soaking tub, a massive glass shower, and warm golden accents that create a relaxing, resort-like feel. The TV lounge delivers comfort and entertainment with tall ceilings, rich textures, and a warm, cinematic lighting style, a perfect blend of luxury and relaxation. The sweeping staircase curves gracefully toward the upper level, connecting the home's grand design with elegance and flow. The garage is no ordinary garage. It's a polished, high-end automotive space designed to house multiple cars with style. With pristine flooring, premium lighting, and organized custom cabinetry, it reflects the same level of excellence found throughout the estate. Stepping outside, the property reveals one of its most impressive features, a full resort-grade outdoor environment designed by the renowned McDougald Steel landscape architects. The swimming pool and spa glisten with crystal blue water. A pool house sits nearby for entertaining, while a full sports court, outdoor kitchen, stone fireplace, fire pit, and covered lounge areas complete the perfect backyard getaway. Whether hosting a summer celebration or enjoying a peaceful winter sunset, this outdoor setting delivers a lifestyle worthy of a luxury resort. The home also includes a private gym, equipped with everything needed for a professional-level workout. Bright, open, motivating, and beautifully designed, it transforms fitness into convenience and comfort. This estate is more than a home. It's a statement of elegance, a celebration of craftsmanship, and a sanctuary of peace and privacy. Listed by Pam Durham with BHGRE Gary Green, this French-style masterpiece is proudly showcased on American Dream Mansion, where we present some of the most extraordinary homes across the country. If you're looking for a residence that brings together beauty, functionality, and a lifestyle beyond imagination, this iconic property at 36 Saddlebrook Court may be the one you've been waiting for. Welcome to luxury. Welcome to timeless design. Welcome to your future American Dream Mansion.